the Dynasty Ashley Show.
Hey.
Ball's about to drop.
2010 in New York City.
It's New Year over there.
New York.
It's New Year's on the other side of the country. Not here yet though, but we can celebrate.
3 tons of confetti.
Yay! Woohoo!
Craig, did you catch the first one?
Aren't you excited, guys?
I think she's really surprised about you because she's always
That's my grandpa right there. That's my Jano right there.
Hey, look.
New Year!
You really should be here because when Frank Sinatra comes on, it's just a little...
This is our garage where we make most of our work. Don't worry. This place will have more exciting things soon. Like that. This is Dynasty Ashley Show, signing off for New Year's.
Happy New Year!
On the East Coast. Stay tuned for our New Year's on the West Coast.